Hey guys, this is me Abhishek and today I will be showing you guys on how to install LibreHealth Toolkit on your OSX. So I'm running on Mac High Sierra and let's get started. So LibreHealth has its own official toolkit file, but then I found another one which uses Docker and it is much more easier to use. So basically what you need to install first are requirements. So let's open up your Mac terminal. And what you need to do first is open up install Docker and open it up. So it will show Docker is running. Wait till Docker's. Yep, Docker is running right now. Now what you need to type git clone and the new Docker repository name. Just copy that and then paste it over here. I have already cloned it, so I need to do it much, but I'll just show it. So it shows already exists. I have already installed the LibreHealth Toolkit Docker to test it, so it doesn't work on mine, but when you type it shows a set of codes and install LibreHealth Toolkit Docker and a new folder inside your Mac called LH Toolkit Docker. Now what you need to do is you need to get inside that directory over here. So you need to type cd LH Toolkit Docker. So you are inside that directory. Now what you need to type is sudo docker compose up. So guys, after waiting, I think our server has started. Now you need to go to Google your browser and write localhost /ls toolkit, and yeah guys, we finally got the LibreHealth Toolkit on our Mac system. Now the username and password would be found over here. Yes, admin and admin12. Just log in and you're into the LibreHealth, so enjoy. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video.